Facebook, it's Machine Monday.
Okay, so we're going to demonstrate today the FactoryCat Model XR floor scrubber. This is a electric machine, and this unit has a couple of options on it. I wanted to point out first the side brooms here. They direct debris into the path of the main brooms. I'll show those here. I'll turn this on. You see them come on and start spinning. And so they pull path from the edges into they pull debris from the edges into the path of the main brooms. The other option on this unit uses cylindrical brushes that allows it to scrub and sweep at the same time. Brush back. There's a hopper behind the brushes to collect debris. On the XR, all the wheels are solid steel with solid rubber tires. Bumper in the back is standard on all of our machines. Protects the squeegee from damage. You can see the drain hose here, sight tube, show you how much clean water is in the tank. By the way, this machine holds 68 gallons of clean water. The recovery tank tilts back to allow for full drainage and clean out of the recovery tank. Below the tank you can see the dual vacuum motors. This machine has very good suction, leaves the floor clean and dry right behind the machine. This particular unit has a 40-inch cleaning path, standard adjustable steering column. Some moves to get out of the way. You can see the control panel here. Key switch to turn the machine on. Your display showing the various functions, and then our control switches. With the main switch, this green switch, turns everything on. When you press that switch, the brush deck engages, the vacuum comes on, the squeegees drop, and it's ready to go. On the XR, you have a couple of options for filling the solution tank with clean water detergent. First here, the main fill port, you can use a bucket or hose fill through the screen here. Also, there's a capture area for a hose. You put the hose in here and pull it in, and you capture it so you can fill it that way. And of course, as we mentioned, your fill hose to show you how much clean water is in the machine. Here's another access point to fill from the opposite side of the machine. So the frame is all steel, heavy gauge. It is plated and then powder coat painted, so it's very rust resistant. On the squeegee assembly, you'll notice a stainless steel over center latch and strap that hold the blades on, so again, no corrosion. The XR is very well protected with rollers on the corners. You also see guards for the side broom, and then these doors are optional to protect the brush deck from damage.